this is customer support department. How can I help you today?
I just wanted to schedule an appointment for my regular dental checkup.
All right, I can help with that. Thanks for your interest. We offer preventive care like cleanings and exams, as well as cosmetic and restorative treatments, everything from whitening and veneers to crowns and Invisalign. Is there a specific service you're interested in, or would you like to start with a general checkup?
I would like to start with a general checkup.
Thanks, Tanishka. Do you have a preferred date or time for your checkup, or would you like to hear our next available openings?
I think I would do it at Monday, 2 p.m.
Thanks, Tanishka. I have you down for a new patient checkup on Monday at 2 p.m. Tanishka, we look forward to seeing you at Downtown Dental Loop. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Okay, so you just saw how good it was. It was speaking like a real human. It handled all the rejections and then it scheduled the appointment directly. So it is very efficient. Okay, so the first step is looking for a clinic using Google Maps, and I have just written dental clinics in Chicago. The same way you can enter your niche and your preferred location. So right now, just keep it dental clinics in Chicago. You can change to whatever you want while you're trying it. So I looked for clinics and these were the names that came up. Now, this particular clinic has 1,332 reviews, which means they have a good patient flow and they even have a good rating. This one also have like 4.7 and they also have like 1300 something reviews. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this dental clinic and we're going to copy each and every detail and paste it to ChatGPT. So we're going to open a new tab and we're going to click on ChatGPT, and again we're going to copy each and every detail, including their website, so it can use that to fetch the information that we need for creating this particular agent. And that information is essentially the opening and closing hour, then the kind of services they offer. And so let's just copy this. I want to paste their website address as well. So this is their website, right? So we're going to copy it and then we're going to write. Okay, so the prompt that I gave here was, this is their website, and then I wrote that I am creating a complete AI voice receptionist using Retell AI for this particular clinic. Act as an expert and create a complete Retell agent prompt. And then okay, so let's just send this prompt and see what ChatGPT gives us. So we have the complete prompt with the name of the receptionist and then every single information available, which is clinic name, the address, phone number, website, location, tone of the brand, primary objectives, voice and personality, important speaking rules, appointment types. Then we have other details as well. So this is like a complete prompt that you can get using ChatGPT and use it and paste it in Retell. So that's what we're going to do here, but let's just read it first. Yeah. So okay, and also you can do one more thing. Based on this information, you can ask ChatGPT to create a complete knowledge base. Even though it has mentioned every small detail in the prompt itself, but it is better to create a separate knowledge base, because if you create that, it is going to be much more accurate while answering the questions. So I'm going to ask it. I'm going to first paste the website, and then I'm going to business, and it has everything. First is the business overview, second is the location, then we have email, website, booking links, then we have nearby areas, we have parking offer as well, we have office hours, everything is given, everything is as detailed as possible. Then we have services offered, then we also have the brand tone, AI receptionist core responsibility, appointment types, new patient form, existing patient flow, everything done. So I'm going to ask it to convert it into a doc. What I'm trying to show you here is that this is how it is essentially done. You need to take all these details while you're building the system. So now we have the PDF ready, and I'm just going to see it first and then I'm going to paste it to Retell. Okay, so this works. I don't have any issue with this. So I am just going to click on Retell, and I showed you like there are multiple ways to do it. Like you can create using existing templates that you have, that also works. But you can even write your custom prompt. But I would personally suggest you is to create your personalized agent, because that's where you get enough space for customization. Let me explain it first. So this is the knowledge base. This is where we're going to upload this PDF. Then we have the phone numbers. Batch call option is for basically calling to multiple users at the same time. Then we have call history, chat history, analytics. So we're going to click on agents, and these are the ones that I already have. If you want to create a new agent, you need to click on this option and choose voice agent. Here you can even create your chat agent, which can be used on your website. Now, as you can see here, we have multiple options like receptionist, outbound sales and reactivation, appointment booking, lead qualification, customer support. You have multiple options, right? But what we are going to do is we are going to click on blank agent, and we are going to set up our own agent. So we have clicked on the blank agent, and here we are going to paste that prompt. So here, as you can see, the option enter your global prompt here. So we are going to just paste the prompt that ChatGPT gave us. So next we have options for selecting the voice and language. Numerous languages. We have Spanish, English, French, Chinese, German, Hindi. We have multiple options, right? So just we are going to choose English here, and then we are going to choose the person. So using this option, you can choose a voice which you like. You can choose a male voice. If you can choose a female voice, you can even choose an accent.
Hi, I'm Simo, an AI voice agent for Retell AI. Hey, I'm your virtual assistant from Retell AI, here to help you handle all the calls. This is your AI assistant from Retell. Oh,
I think Kate goes fine. Like, this is what I like, and I'm just going to keep this one. So we have the prompt, and here we have the knowledge base. So you're going to click on add new knowledge base, and it will take you to this knowledge base section. And here you will upload that PDF. So we're going to click on add, then we're going to click on upload file. You can upload multiple files, but for this time, let's just keep one. And as you can see here, I'm doing all of this using the free trial option. So you have the free trial, you do not need to pay it beforehand. If you feel like this is something that you want to continue, you can go on with that. Otherwise also it's fine, you can just test it using the free version. This looks absolutely fine. We're going to just click on publish. Okay, so first you need to click on publish, but before that I will also show you some other settings here. Then we have the poll. Here we have the post call data extraction, which means that after the call is done, it is going to extract these details, which is the call summary, if whether the call was successful, and the user sentiment using GPT 4.1. Then we have the webhook settings, which means that we can connect it to a make.com or an anything workflow, so that we could add it to Google Calendar, connect it with Google Calendar and schedule appointments. I'm going to show you that, but first we will test this agent. And next we also have the speech settings, which is how eager this agent or this receptionist should sound, and the interruption sensitivity.
hello, this is customer support department. How can I help you today?
I just wanted to schedule an appointment for my regular dental checkup.
All right, I can help with that. Have you visited Downtown Dental Loop before, or would this be your first appointment with us?
This would be my first appointment with you, and so I wanted to know more about your services.
Thanks for your interest. We offer preventive care like cleanings and exams, as well as cosmetic and restorative treatments, everything from whitening and veneers to crowns and Invisalign. Is there a specific service you're interested in, or would you like to start with a general checkup?
I would like to start with a general checkup, and I just wanted to know more about what people say about your clinic.
Sure, I can share that many patients mention our friendly team, modern office, and convenient downtown location. People appreciate how comfortable and welcoming the experience is. Would you like to go ahead and schedule your checkup?
Yes, please.
All right. To get you scheduled for your first checkup, can I have your full name, please?
It is Tanishka Lalwani.
Thanks, Tanishka. Can I get the best phone number to reach you?
Okay, so it's 911.
Thanks for sharing your number. Could you also provide your email address so we can send you appointment details?
It's Tanishka Lalwani, work@gmail.com.
Thanks, Tanishka. Do you have a preferred date or time for your checkup, or would you like to hear our next available openings?
I think I'm fine with Friday, 9 p.m.
Thanks for letting me know. Our office hours on Fridays are, so we don't have a 9 p.m. slot available. Would you like to come in Friday morning, or is there another day or time that works for you?
Okay, then I think I would do it at Monday, 2 p.m.
Thanks, Tanishka. I have you down for a new patient checkup on Monday at 2 p.m. Your name is Tanishka Lalwani, and your callback number is 9. Is that correct?
Yes.
You're all set for your checkup on Monday at 2 p.m., Tanishka. We look forward to seeing you at Downtown Dental Loop. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Okay, so you just saw how good it was. It was speaking like a real human. It handled all the rejections. It even, when I asked about what other patients think, it gave me the reviews using the data which I gave, which was what I found on Google reviews, and then it scheduled the appointment directly. So it is very efficient. And now here comes the next step, which is actually scheduling it in the calendar. So we are going to use webhook for that, and I'm going to use make.com. If you're comfortable with N8N, you can go with that. Usually I prefer N8N, but make.com is more beginner friendly, so we are going to use that right now. So I'm going to create a new make.com workflow. Your account if you haven't, otherwise you can just simply log in. Okay, so this is exactly what happens after the call ends, and as I showed you how the call went, here I have created this make.com workflow. If I teach you how to create it step by step, it is going to take some time. To make it easy for you, I will give you this complete template for free in the description. The link is in the description. You can just download it, import this template and start using, and you can just customize it. So here you need to click on Retell and create that connection using your API keys. And I'm just going to take you through each and every step. Then I have added so that this system could understand what the call was about and what was the final decision. Then I have added the JSON code because I want to basically extract the results, whether the appointment was confirmed. And after that, I have the router. So if the appointment required says true, which means somebody has scheduled an appointment, that it will create an event and then it will send them a confirmation email. So that's how the workflow is. You will get the link in the description. You just need to download it, import it, and you're good to go. So let's just run it once and see what we get. So you saw the complete thing all together. We have the confirmation email, we have the calendar invite, we have everything ready, we have the system, and we just used Retell ChatGPT, make.com, and it was done. Now let me put real numbers into this. Many dental clinics lose a significant portion of their after hour inquiries. So let's say per customer $100 to $150. That's anywhere around $1,000 to $2,500 recover revenue every single month. This system doesn't just save time, it recovers the revenue that was walking into your door and leaving. Now this goes for any service-based businesses like physio clinics, salons, law firms, real estate agents, etc. When we deploy systems like these for our clients, the thing that surprises them most isn't the technology, it's how fast it pays for itself. A system like this typically recovers its entire setup cost within the first 30 to 45 days, just from the bookings that would have been missed otherwise. This is exactly why an AI receptionist is single-handedly high ROI automations that you can set up for your business. Now, everyone is talking about AI replacing jobs, but the businesses that are actually winning with AI are the ones that are covering the gap that no human could fill cost effectively. No human receptionist work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at less than a cost of this system. Now, if you are a business owner watching this video and thinking that this is something that I would really want in my business, I do a free 30-minute AI audit where I look at your specific situation and understand what this could recover for you. The link is in the description. You can choose a time that works for you. You want to see more real AI builds, actual practical follow-throughs, then make sure you subscribe to this channel because I put one of these every single week. And please do a little favor by telling me your thoughts in comments. I really read each one of them. Till then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.